Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is subtracting integers positive, negative, even or odd. Let's understand some rules when we subtract integers. Let the first one say subtracting a negative is the same as adding. Let's see an example. 14 minus a negative 6. Here we are subtracting a negative integer. So this is same as adding. Whenever we see two negatives aligned like this, just one besides the other, then they become positive. That is same as adding. 14 plus 6 is 20. Let's look at the next rule. If both signs are negative, the answer will be negative. That is negative 14 minus a positive 6. This is negative 14 minus 6. The answer will be negative, but we add the two numbers, that is 14 plus 6 and 20. Now see, if the signs are different, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value. The sign will be the sign of the integer that produced the larger absolute value. Let's look with the example, the first one. 14 minus a positive 6, this would be 14 minus 6 is 8. Now the answer is positive because the bigger number is positive. That is 14 is positive, so the answer is positive. Now the second example, negative 14 minus a negative 6. So the two negatives combine to become a positive. Negative 14 plus 6 we've subtracted and answer is 8. The answer would be negative because the larger number is negative. So negative 8 is the answer. Let's use these rules in the questions given ahead. The first one says solve, explain how you get the answer without using a calculator. We have negative 3 minus 12. We saw that when the two signs were same, that is the negatives were there, the answer was a negative, and we added the two numbers. So 3 plus 12 is 15. Negative 15 is the answer. Can we see an option B? Let's try the next question. Solve, explain how you get the answer without using a calculator. So we have 5 minus negative 17. So we put it like this. Subtracting a negative is the same as addition. That is, the two negatives combine to become positive. 5 plus 17 is nothing but 22. Can be seen in option A. This is the correct one. Let's try another question. Solve, explain how you get the answer without using a calculator. We have begun with 6 minus 12. So this is nothing but 6, a positive 6 minus 12. Two numbers, signs are different. What we do? We subtract the numbers. That is 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. Keep the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 12 and has a negative sign. So this becomes negative 6. So 6 minus 12 is a negative 6. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option B. I hope subtracting integers positive, negative, even or odd is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.